Hello, sixth graders. This is just going to be a quick video on how to add or insert slides to an assignment. So this assignment's going to look a little different because this assignment came from Miss Gill's class. She added me as a student into her class, but you would do the same thing for any of our science classes. So you would go to classwork, and I'm choosing, this is her observation slide assignment. This could very well be your quantitative and qualitative observation assignment. So just choose the assignment that you need to add slides to. Click View Assignment, and then it's going to have the directions over here. Now make sure you complete the assignment first. So make sure your quantitative observation slide is totally done, like all the boxes are filled in, and the qualitative observation slide is done before you are ready to turn it in. But once you're ready to turn it in, you'll see over here it says your work, and it has this option that says add or create. So I'm going to click add or create. I'm going to choose Google Drive because I'm going to find my virtual word wall, those slides, from Google Drive. Now make sure you're choosing your slides and not my teacher copy. So I'm choosing my slides. And you can see it's attaching them right here. So there they are. I can see they're attached. Once I see they're attached, I'm going to click Turn In. And it even double checks with me. It shows that it's there. I'm going to click Turn In. And now, as the teacher, I would see your slides attached, and I would see that you turned something in. So that's how you attach slides to an assignment, like your quantitative and qualitative observation slides assignment. Hope that helps.